Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Bash script. Today we are going to learn about how to compare strings in the Bash. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. First step, that is if or else. Okay, let's copy this script and try to run this one. So here we go with this one. So simple, two variables, hello world. Okay, then comparison, strings are equal, else strings are not equal. That means both are not equal. Okay, their strings are not equal. Next one, okay, using the text. Okay, so here we go with this one, if else condition again. So here we just comment the previous one and let's go to the next one. Okay, hello world, strings are here, you can also string 1, string 2. Okay, then strings are equal, else strings are not equal. Okay, let's have a look. Strings are not equal. Okay, this is the second method, using the test, or this one, using this one with double square brackets. You can perform the string comparisons too. Okay, so here we have a double square, previous we have the single one, right? Okay, next we have a double square brackets. You can perform the string comparisons too. Let's have a look on that one. What's the difference in that one? Okay, let's save and run this. Strings are not equal, this is also working. Okay, if I put over here hello world, hello hello, then what happened? Strings are equal, right? Next one, this is the now case insensitivity comparison. Suppose hell h, someone caps letter, someone small letter. In that case, what we can use, you can use the equal to operator along with the double arrow or comma to convert both the strings to either uppercase or the lowercase before comparison. So that you can do that one. So here we have this one. So let's compare the strings. So here we have a comparison for the case insensitivity. So you're converting to the lower cases and then you can check that this is equal to or not. Let's go and check this. So the strings are equal, case insensitive, right? Next step, what we have. So ensure to enclose the variables with the double quotes. Okay, ensure the variables to be in double quotes to handle the cases where the strings might be empty or contain the spaces. Equal or double equal to can be used for the string comparison, but equal double equal to is preferred with the double brackets. Okay, not equal to can be used for the inequality comparisons in the same manner as double equal to. Okay, so this is how we are able to do the comparison of the two strings, they are equal or not. Any doubt, any query in that, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.